Hi, this is Mrs. Pavitra Vanshi, Assistant Professor, Department of Management Studies, SNS College of Technology. So, as I'm handling the marketing subject, so in the previous video, we seen what is the importance of branding. So, how is the branding can be done? Okay, so what is the branding? What is the importance of branding? What is the brand equity? And what is the what are the different ways branding can be done? Okay, so why is it important? In this presentation, we are going to see about the strategies of branding. What are the branding strategies? The first one is social media engagement. So, leveraging social media platforms allows brands to interact directly with the consumers. So, how am I going to get in touch with the customers directly, and how am I going to explain about the product or the services rendering from my brand? Yes, and fostering the community and enhancing the brand visibility. What is the purpose of branding? So when I'm going to do it with the social media engagement, I am like, I wanted this kind of product. Yes, I am going to go. I'm going to do my brand visible to all the customers or all the consumers. Yes, fostering the enhancing the brand visibility. So through social media, I'm going to enhance my brand visibility to the customers. So this is what the first one is, social media engagement. There are different ways in social media engagement, like Instagram. So nowadays people go with Instagram to promote their products and services or to promote the brand with the influencers. Yes, so that is what first is social media engagement. The second is what content marketing. So, providing valuable content related to the brand industry helps establish the authority and trust, engaging consumers and encouraging them to share the brand. Okay, so the content marketing is where I am providing a valuable content which is related to the product. I mean, which is related to the brand industry. And in that case, how far I'm going to give the trust of the product and the consumers are engaging, and how far I am there to share the brand. Okay, so this is what the content marketing. The third one is it is a influencer collaboration. So through social media like Instagram, we have so many influencers, like micro influencers have been increasing. So in that case, my influencers collaborations. So we are going to get collaborated with the influencers and marketing the product, like if it is especially for a niche market, we can tell. So pertaining partnering with the influencers can help brands reach new audiences. Maybe he or she will not be a consumer or a customer of my brand, but through influencers he or she have a special set of people or new audience. So in that case, the new audience are getting attracted with the brand. Okay, then so help branches reach new audience and gain credibility, as influencers can effectively communicate brand values as it follows. So this is what the main thing where we can influencing the market. So through influencers collaborations. Okay, so the measuring brand success. So to evaluate the success of the brand, we have to measure in some other way. So considering the various metrics can be done. Okay, so brand awareness, the consumer feedback, and the sales performance. So the factors will provide a comprehensive understanding of how well a brand is performed in the market and highlight areas of improvement. So these are the three ways, like brand awareness metrics. Okay, so tracking metrics which reach meta impressions and engagement levels. Second is customer feedback. So a regular gathering of feedback through surveys and reviews can be done. The third one is sales performance. So analyzing the data of sales to determine the brand strategy effectiveness. So measuring brand success is very important, where brand awareness metrics can be easily done and customer feedback can be easily done and it can be analyzed properly. But through the sales, it is very easy, like sales analytics. So analyzing the sales, like how far is the sales done, how much is the sales done in this period, how far after the social media engagement or after the influencer collaborations, how much is the sales. Like that, we can measure the brand success. So this is what the exact way where measuring the brand success, are some of the ways we can try to evaluate the brand success. So through these ways, we can do the brand success. So this is what the branding strategies, okay, and the brand, how to measure the brand success. through various ways. So thank you.